Hi. Right. Question number 3 here. The comparative box plots compare the number of hours spent studying by girls and boys. So we actually have for this question here 2 different box plots. Okay, so we have the girls one here. Please draw. There we go. We have the girls one here and we have the boys one underneath. Okay. So, what do we have to find out? Find the median and the interquartile range. Now, you're going to have 2 sets of information. You're going to have it for the girls and you're going to have it for the boys. Okay, so we're going to have the girls' median. Now, that's dead simple to find on a box plot. Right, we don't have to work it out, it's there. Remember, the line that's inside the box, that's your median. Now that line there is coming down to 8. And the boys' median, the line there, that is 7. Okay, right, so find the interquartile range for the girls and find the interquartile range for the boys. Again, it's nice and simple because we have our upper quartile here and our lower quartile here. So it's the top and the bottom of the box. Okay, so the interquartile range is going to be 10 take away 6 for the girls. Okay, so that line there was coming down to 10. This one here was coming down to the 6. Okay, right, for the boys. And the boys have got 9 there, 9 take away 5. 9 take away 5, which makes 4 for the boys there. Okay, so it now says compare the plots. Compare the box plots commenting on average and variability. Now, at this point here, you need to be very careful. Okay, because when we are comparing the girls' median with the boys' median, right, you have to use the word average. Okay, do not say that the girls' median is higher than the boys' median. You need to say that the girls' average is more than the boys' average, right? But we also need to take it back and put it in context. It's about the number of hours spent studying. Okay, so that's our context. So what can we say about the average between the girls and the boys? So on average, that's how I like to start my sentence for this one. On average, the girls spend more hours studying than the boys. Okay, all right. Right, the interquartile range. Now that's a measure of spread or variability. Now there's a few different ways that you can speak about this, okay? Oh, they're both the same actually, but they shouldn't be because I should have done 9 take away 5 over here, shouldn't I? Is that right? Or 5? Yeah, I thought it was a 6, but it's not a 5. Right, okay, so what can we say? The girls have got a spread of 5 and the boys have got a spread of 4. Okay, so the way that I like to say it, okay, but there's different ways to do it. The way that I like to say it is the number of hours spent studying by the girls was more spread out than the boys. Right? But that's not the only way that you can say it. There's a few different words that you can use. You can also say the number of hours spent studying by the girls was more, you could say more varied. right? So you could see it more varied than the boys. Okay, so there you go. That's how you do it when you've got two different box plots and you've got to compare them.